everyone! You won't believe what happened! Jimmy got married! Who am I gonna use to make Jimmy? We've only got Woody. Oh no. Now let's pick a bride. Who's it gonna be? She's definitely not right for this. But Pink, she's just perfect. Look how cute she is. I think they're a perfect match for each other. Let's start with Jimmy. First thing we need is to repaint the face. We don't need the hat. Let's start the makeover. We'll need acetone, wipes, and rubber gloves. Don't worry, everything's gonna be fine. Apply acetone to a wipe and remove the old paint from his face. Oh, one-eyed Joe. We need to scrub really well so nothing's left. Paint's hard to remove from the eyes with a wipe, so we lift it out with tweezers. Clean off the leftover paint from the lips. All done. Some paint transferred onto the eyebrows and sideburns, but we can fix that. Remove the earrings and the clay hair. We can lift the hair off with a sculpting tool. It's kind of like peeling an egg. Let's clean off the traces from the eyebrows and sideburns. I've got a palette and a bunch of acrylic paints. We'll mix white with brown shades to match the skin tone. A little white, a touch of pink, and let's see what we get. Oh, not quite it. Let's add more yellow. That's more like it. Apply it to the face and blend it with a sponge. Let's paint the hands too. Wow, perfect color. We'll set our result with special varnish MSC, then dry it with cold air. Now let's take a pencil and sketch Jimmy's features. We'll mark the eyebrows first, then the eyes. Time for the paint. Paint the whites of the eyes. There we go. Add blue irises and black pupils. Line the eyes. Oh, this is turning out great. Moving on to the lips. Done. Now let's give him his signature smile.
Run.
Hey, where are you going? Back to the eyebrows. Fill them in with paint following our sketch. Let's draw a mustache and beard too. Wow, that's such a good likeness. Let's add a bit of pink blush too. Gorgeous. Now we need to set all this with MSC again. Let it dry, we can fan it a little like this, and voila! Wow, that's the spitting image. But he still needs a hairstyle. What should we make it from? We've got some wool in different shades here. I'm not sure it'll work, but let's try mixing these two colors. It's not blending. Let's try combing it with a brush. Phew, so much waste. But let's try on what's left. Nope, that doesn't look much like Jimmy's hairstyle. We need to come up with something else. I've got tons of options. Let's try them all. Curly? Nope. There's this here too.
What?
Oh my. A black wig? Too dark. Oh, there's a lighter one too. Oh wow, perfect color. We won't make a cap. We'll just apply hot glue right to the head and stick our hair on. There's a bald spot on the other side. To cover it, we'll apply gel polish. Take some flock in a matching color and apply it on top. Not perfect, but that's okay. Let's try it under a UV lamp. Brush off the leftover flock. Let us know in the comments what you think of this look. I think the hair will look better this way.
A few moments later.
Yeah, definitely. We need to style it. Let's take a little gel and style the hair the way it needs to go. Blow dry it all. And look at this handsome guy we made. Wow, I love it. Let us know in the comments. Should I keep this doll in my collection or send it to MrBeast? Let's take another look at our groom. Wow, he's such a heartthrob. I think he turned out really lifelike. Now we just need to make his suit. But first, let's check in on the bride. We need to change up the hairstyle, clothes, and makeup. But first, let's look at our reference photo. Right, we need to make blonde wavy hair. I've got this artificial hair here. I think it'll be perfect for our bride-to-be. Take off the old wig. Oh, that's so funny. Oh no! We'll fix that right now. Let's start with the base cap. We'll need some wet wipes. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wrap the head in plastic wrap. Then put on a wipe and secure it with a rubber band. Stretch the wipe out well over the head. Apply white glue. Spread it in a thin layer over the whole head so it dries faster. Put on the next wipe and glue it down. Now dry it all with a blow dryer. Perfect! Take a pencil and draw the hairline. Trim off the bands and loose edges. Then take manicure scissors and cut along the line. The cap is ready. Let's put it on the head without the wrap. Paint it the hair color and glue on our hair with hot glue. Working from bottom to top. Oh, we're a little short on strands. But since our bride's hair isn't very long, we can trim it down a bit. Now that's definitely enough. Wow, what a gorgeous wig this turned out to be. But the hair's still a bit too long. Let's trim off an inch. Now let's move on to styling. We can curl the hair using straws and rubber bands. Cut a piece each from a wide and a thin straw. Slit the wide one lengthwise. Wrap a strand around the thin straw. Slide the wide one over it and secure it all with a rubber band. Let's see how it turned out. Whoops, that hack didn't work. Let's try another one. Wrap a strand around a wooden stick and heat it with a flat iron. Wow, what a curl! Great hack! Curl all the hair this way. Just amazing! It came out so pretty! Just need to touch up the makeup now. First, let's remove the extra paint. Well, this isn't coming off. Let's grab a wet wipe. Oh, that's working. Our doll's got pink lips, but we need to make them look more natural. Add gold eyeshadow, line the eyebrows, and apply blush. Wow, that came out looking really lifelike, right? Go ahead and admire yourself. Wow, I love my new look so much! Yeah, the makeup is just gorgeous, and the hairstyle turned out stunning. What do you think? Did we pull it off? This is just amazing! You can sit down for a bit, sweetie, and we'll go find a suitable dress. Relax and have some coffee. I once made a dress for an LOL doll. I wonder if it'll fit our doll or not. Take off her clothes and put on the wedding dress. Oh no, it's too poofy. Let's try another one. Changing it. Ta-da! Oops, it's a bit too small. All right, let's make an outfit from scratch. I've got a ton of materials. We don't need the little flowers yet. They may come in handy. Oh, perfect fabric for the dress. Lay the doll on paper and trace her silhouette. Draw the neckline and cut it out. Transfer the pattern onto the fabric. Take white thread and sew our pieces together. The base of the dress is ready. Wow, it fits perfectly! Let's decorate it with floor-length lace fabric. This looks stunning. Just need to add the veil now and attach it to the hair. Got a long veil with a train. Wow, what a beauty! They look amazing! Thea's look turned out so sweet and modern, a perfect combination. Check out our bride's natural makeup. Oops! I think the groom is gonna love it. We need a tuxedo. Let's look at the photo. Now I'll show you how to make a pattern using the doll. Let's take off his boots so they don't get in the way. Take a pencil and trace the silhouette. Cut it out. Even if it comes out a bit crooked, I've got a piece of pants fabric here. Trace our pattern onto it with tailor's chalk. Cut out 2 matching pieces. This fabric frays a little at the edges, so we'll singe them with a lighter. Time to sew our pants. Let's turn them inside out and try them on. Wow, they fit like a glove! For his feet, we'll put on black patent leather shoes. Just look how shiny they are. They look just amazing. The bandana, vest, and plaid shirt, we don't need any of that anymore. Oh, there's a stain on the shoulder. Oh, but that's fine. It won't show under the clothes. I already sewed a sleeveless shirt. We don't need sleeves, since there will be a jacket too. Add a collar and a bow tie. We'll make the buttons out of rhinestones. Take some tiny black beads, dab on some super glue, and attach the buttons to the shirt. Now let's make the jacket pattern. Trace? No, let's change the approach. We'll make the sleeves separately so the jacket fits perfectly. Transfer the patterns onto white fabric and cut out all the pieces. We've got 3, the body and 2 sleeves. First, sew on the sleeves, then stitch up the jacket sides. Great, this looks amazing! To put on the jacket, we need to detach the hand from the arm. We'll put it back on afterward. Wow, what a handsome guy! Add a boutonniere. Our groom is ready for the wedding. Let's take a closer look at him. Whoops, don't fall. Let's set him on a stand. Stunning look! Time for Jimmy to meet his bride. We're running short on time and the bride still needs a bouquet. All right, time for the wedding bouquet. I think we'll find something to make it from. Let's look at our reference. Here we've got white lilies. We'll make a mix of different flowers, starting with the lilies. Since our bouquet is all white, trim off all the leaves. Tuck in a couple more flowers in the middle to make it fuller. The bouquet's put together, just need to tie it with a ribbon now. Ta-da! Oh, it's not holding together. Oh, but I know a hack. We can use white Velcro or a silicone band. I'll grab a band and secure the bouquet on her hand. All right, we've got the dress, we've got the bouquet, but we're missing the most important thing, the ring. I've got a few boxes ready, but I think this one's the perfect fit. Put the ring on our bride. Wow, how beautiful! Wow, you look absolutely stunning. Thank you, honey. Let's go! What a joyful moment, they're finally together. Just look at the way they're looking at each other. Oh, weddings are always so touching. I'm so happy.
Yeah!
Me too. Would you want a wedding like Mr. Beast's? Let us know in the comments. And wish the newlyweds a happy life together.